Thank you.
मतलब लास्ट में हो, स्टार्ट में ना हो।
हाँ भाई, फिर पूरा pre-run I'm taking nothing but a gel, एक energy gel. I haven't had anything else in the morning. So I'll just take one gel now and then one during the run. 15 kilometers, so we just need one gel. Bro, these are my Whoop stats for today, bhai. Not looking good. 2 hours 30. रुक जा, focus हो जा. 2 hours 35 minutes of sleep. 13% recovery. Game over. Bro, it's raining very heavily and I've carried my camera. Camera तो गया bro. I think अगर ये बारिश नहीं रुकी तो I don't think my camera is going to survive this rain.
यूट्यूबर लोग ऐसे ही आते हैं, लेट आते हैं। कैमरा सामने रख के आते हैं, हाथ बाद में मिलाते हैं।
तेरी बात है देवी भाई।
हाँ थोड़ा anyone who is doing paces faster than 6 or 6 come to my right. 6 or faster than 6 on my right.
नहीं कर रहा भाई। 7 भाई 7 आज full easy bro, full easy. I'm going with a 7 pace group. 2 group है basically. One is a 6 pace जो मैं नहीं भाग रहा. I'm not doing fast. I'm doing a slow but decently long run. So, we're running from Mahim Church to Marine Lines. We'll end at Pizza by the Bay. Exactly 15 kilometers for 15th August. I don't think I addressed this on the vlog at all because I started the vlog in the car. मैंने स्टोरी पढ़ा था कि कोच घर से, तो मेरे को लगा कि ऐसे ही डाला कि इसमें हेल्प कर रहा है. There is another run happening right next to us. We've got another runner with us. We've got another runner. Bro, it's crazy how the community has shown up. Despite it raining, people have still showed up for the run. And I think this is the best part of running, bro. I think so the faster runners are coming from behind us. We are doing a 6:30 to 7 pace. And those guys are running under 6 pace.
दो जन आएंगे, एक पूछ वाला और एक
साइड करके आएंगे. हाँ, पीछे से जॉय और ईशान आएंगे फास्ट लेन साइड.
भाई ये तो पेसर बन गया. He just hasn't joined the group. He's leading the group now, भाई. Crazy. सात मिनट के रेस में भाग रहा है.
बट भाई मैं पता रोज क्या था पेडर रोड पे TMM में मैं नहीं करना है मेरे को यार.
Crazy.
भाई ये तो अभी भी भाग रहा है. रुक जा भाई.
ब्रो ये अपने साथ कम से कम 6-7 किलोमीटर से. कैसा है?
I don't even know you can hear me, but I'm running the pedal road straight after TMM. भाई बक्सो तू भागा TMM के बाद पेडर रोड.
मैं तो ठीक है आ जाता हूँ, उधर ही आता है आज.
हाँ, it's 5 AM in the morning. Today we're running too much. तो बट भाई सीधा TMM वाइब्स आ रहे थे मेरे को ग्रुप में भाग के. पेडर रोड एंड द डॉग इज स्टिल स्ट्रांग विद अस भाई. भाई इतने भी 10 किलोमीटर भाग लिए हमारे साथ.
I think he's going to finish the run with us. Oh, this is our dog, sorry. उसने अभी join किया. This one is ours. Done with 12k, last 3 kilometers to go. I don't think last year I was running shirtless here at all, but now it's getting normalized and I quite enjoy it too. Bro, 50-60 लोग आना in this rain, all running together, 15 kilometers, everyone doing a long run is absolutely beautiful, and I'm all here for this vibe. Like, I think we should do this weekly. 14 done, last kilometer to go. We'll finish at a good pace. But crazy run, भाई, क्या लगता है? क्या आज के रन के thoughts क्या है भाई?
I mean, good. I would rank this the effort 4 on 10. अच्छे पेस पे हो गया फिनिशिंग एट अ
Community का क्या लगता है bro?
कम्युनिटी तो लवली भाई.
अच्छा, good turn up is good. I think I said this like 5 times in this video भाई, but मज़ा आ गया यार आज, बहुत मज़ा आ गया. Run with 15k. Did almost a sprint over there at the end, around 4:35. Felt good though, felt good. Just gonna walk it out for some time now, and then catch up with the others. नहीं भाई हो गया. Exact 15 bro for independence. But yeah, done with the run. Feeling good bro, feeling good. अरे लंगड़ा रनिंग. तेरा कितना बाकी है? नहीं 15 अगस्त. पेन फ्री हो रहा है? पेन फ्री? हाँ पेन नहीं है तो ठीक है, वो तो आदत नहीं है ना. चलो करो, तू भी कर रहा है इसके अभी? ठीक है. चलो आ जाओ. रनिंग 1 more kilometer with the लंगड़ा भाई, मिस्टर लंगड़ा on the comeback journey. सारे नंगे लड़के दिख रहे हैं. Let's go bro. अच्छी बात है ना. First run back. मेरा first outdoor run back. First outdoor ना?
अच्छा भाई, कल मैंने स्टोरी डाली थी, याद है? रात में आपने रिप्लाई किया था.
अच्छा, that was you.
इंस्पिरेशन पहला.
Thank you भाई, nice to meet you.
मेरे लोग कॉल है पर्सन.
Thank you. मेरे को हाँ अच्छा हुआ, वो उल्टा नहीं बोला भाई. Crazy भाई, crazy turn. Time for a group photo now. क्या vibes है bro. अरे बॉटल में पानी है. No one does it like this भाई. No run club. ये तो run club है भी नहीं bro, but no one does it like this. भूख मिल गया मेरे को.
So I'm gonna go for my first High Rocks in September, Mumbai. I'm going to take Wade's t-shirt to live up to the efforts he puts every day. I'm giving him my Tego t-shirt so that he lives up to my dreams that I want to do. I push myself, he pushes me.
I've never done a t-shirt swap first time.
Doing the first one. It's the same t-shirt, but it doesn't matter. Do the next competition.
15k on 15th August.
ये समझे रहे ना.
We've reached Rameshwaram now and my camera is safe fortunately, but yeah, I'm super hungry now. एकदम थोड़ा बाइट ले रहा चल निकलते हैं उसी को. Much needed carbs after a run भाई, much needed carbs. फिल्टर कॉफ़ी सॉफ्टी भाई, ये तो क्रेजी होने वाला है ब्रो.
Gut supplement. I have now tried this Rameshwaram. बाकी सब try कर. Endurance athletes.
मैं हूँ तो
make them feel better. Because but like imagine if there is a tablet or something.
I need to sleep bro. I am so sleep deprived. I've been surviving on like 2.5 hours of sleep. And it's what? 9:46 now. I also have a workout in the evening. I've got a 2.5 kilometer swim. I don't think I'm doing 2.5 kilometers, but I'll do at least 2. चलो ब्रो मैं निकल रहा हूँ। Sure, see you.
It's currently 6:30 and it's time for me to go for my swim. I don't feel like it at all. I'm so sore and I'm also surviving on absolutely no sleep. I did take like a 2-hour nap in the afternoon once I got back from the run, but that was nowhere enough. But yeah, we gotta do what we gotta do. I'm just gonna head for the swim now. It's a long workout. Hopefully I get through it. Okay.
I've got about 200 meters, no, 2,000 meters to do today. Actually 2,500. I don't know if I'll be able to do the entirety of it, but I try to get in as much as I can. I've also realized that you sweat a lot more than you think while swimming, and you also burn a lot of calories. So I'm just carrying a carb mix with some electrolytes in this. This is about like 80 grams of carbs, and I've just put some like 1,000 mg of sodium in this. And again, I don't know how much I'll be able to record because the pool is very busy today and I don't want to intrude other people's spaces, so I'm not gonna keep my camera there, but I'll try to get in a few clips if I can.
I'm done with 1,200 meters now. I think I'm just gonna do 2,000 meters and call it a day. Today's long run was also pretty brutal and my feet are hurting. I'm able to hold a pace of 2 minutes 40 seconds, roughly 2:30 to 2:40, which isn't that fast by any means, but the cutoff time is 3:40, so I'm well within that and I'm able to hold it even later on during the sessions, and that too after a really long, not a long run, but a decently enough long run. But yeah, I've got 700 more to go. I just did 200 meters back to back, which, like at the end of a workout, I've done 200 before, but at the end of a workout, I'm actually quite happy with it. I don't know if it's good or not. I'm quite happy with it. Last 300 to go, bro. It's not easy, bro. It's so boring. Like swimming has to be, because I mean it's the same, right? There's no change of environment. It's the same thing. It's the same. It's like the definition of repetitions. It's the same thing over and over and over and over again. But gotta get it done, man. Gotta finish this one. Last 200 meters to go. I'm just gonna finish this and then I wanna eat, bro. I'm so hungry. I'm starving, man. I feel like I always say that I'm starving, but that's because I am. When you're training for so much endurance, is that the right sentence? When you're doing so much endurance training, bro, all you can think of is food. That was a brutal one, man. I feel like I say that after every workout, but I'm just gonna head for a sauna now. And yeah, I think that's it for this vlog. I think it's gotten a bit too long, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with someone if you actually enjoyed the video. Bye bye.